Right? We continue with imithetho yakhona for part 2, and now we're looking at the ubu beginning words. So once again, we use a standard la. For all the ubu beginning word, we'll use ubu prefix to construct our own demonstrative pronoun esabizwana sokukhomba, and then we will have la plus ubu lobu, and then we copy the noun as is, but without the first vowel. Lobubu, so this face. La plus ubuhle, lobubuhle, this beauty. La plus ububi, lobububi, this evil. La plus ubuvila, lobubuvila, this laziness. La plus ububa, lobububa, this poverty. La plus ubuchwepheshe. Ubuchwepheshe is what? Yes, it is technology. Then it will be lobubuchwepheshe. Siyayibona le ndaba. And then finally, we'll look at the uku beginning words. And then for uku beginning words, we use a standard la once again, plus the uku. Then when we merge the two, the new word that is formed is loku kudla. Basithi ukufa, sithi la plus uku, then loku kufa, njalo njalo. All right, siyabona ke sizame ke ukwenza ke imisebenzi ke yembuzo, previous question papers, right? Previous question papers, starting with this one, lango 2021. So this is a 2021 question paper, and once again, siqala ngokufunda umyalelo. Umyalelo is an instruction. Bhala isabizwana sokukhomba eduze. There is your instruction, clear and straightforward. Isabizwana sokukhomba, khomba is to point. That means it's a demonstrative pronoun, and it is specified ukuthi eduze ngo-2021. Ngokusebenzisa amabizo alandelayo, by using the words that follow, right? The nouns that follow. So you may be given individual nouns, or you may be given the nouns in sentences. So we have umlomo, it's an u beginning word. We have isifonyo, is an isi beginning word. Konje, what were the rules? Okay, I think we still remember. Uguti, for an beginning word, we use a standard la plus u of umlomo. Then we have lo, mlomo. Remember, we write these words as two separate words. Isifonyo, it's la plus isi. Remember, for is and isi beginning word, we use what are these things called? We use si fonyo, right? The prefix isi fonyo, le si fonyo. All right, so we're still following. Okay, and moving on to the next example, right? The question was bhala isabizwana sokukhomba eduze ngokusebenzisa. Can you see what the instruction is the same, but now the difference is umubuzo. All right, okay, I mean it's initial now. It's no longer individual sentences, I mean words, but it's sentences. And this is a 2023 paper. It says isibhedlela asinagesi. So it's la plus isi of isibhedlela, lesi sibhedlela. Umshini awusebenzi kahle, la plus u of umshini, lo mshini. Odokotela abasebenzi namhlanje, it's la plus aba of odokotela. Remember, for all beginning words, aba beginning words and abe beginning words, we use aba. Then we say laba odokotela or labo odokotela with an apostrophe there that you can see over there. Siyibona lo ndaba. Okay, sibheke ke iphepha lilandelayo, right? The previous question paper. I don't know why kuqala impendulo, but anyway, it's fine. So instruction noma umyalelo uthi bhala isabizwana sokukhomba eduze. Isabizwana sokukhomba eduze is your instruction. Isabizwana sokukhomba eduze nasiya. Then they say, bhala umusho ophelele. Please, 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 please. When they ask you to bhala umusho ophelele, you write a complete sentence, a full sentence. And this is May, June supplementary exam for 2024. Right. Okay. Indawo incane. Indawo is a noun, right? Starting with in. For in and in beginning word, we use la plus e. Then we have le. And then for indawo, you drop the first vowel, and you write indawo. And amakhosikazi ahlangana njalo. La plus the a of amakhosikazi, then the answer is la makhosikazi. Isihlalo, it's an isi beginning word. La plus isi, then you have lesi sihlalo. Uyayibona ukuthi ihamba kanjani lento. Injalo nje ayihluphi ayidingi ukoniwa. Right. Moving on to umbuzo ke olandelayo, right? Umbuzo olandelayo, okay, I don't know why it's starting with the answers once again. I think when I was editing, I just kind of like messed things up, right? So gcwalisa imisho elandelayo ngezabizwana zokukhomba, which means fill in the sentences with demonstrative pronouns that are correct or that are suitable or that are relevant, right? Once again, bathi bhala imisho ephelele. Konje what are imisho ephelele? Yes, it is full sentences. Nangobhalo magama, you can also use the correct spelling. So this was way back in 2019, right? Bazani does not even start with a vowel. Sometimes they do that just to make things easy for you. And then you wait out still the same way as if it has a, then you say la plus e of intombazane, and then the new word is le, and then and then there is a sikolo. Just, to practice. Eminye imisebenzi that you could find in Seguya Spaghetti workbook between those pages that are specified at the beginning of the presentation, and then you can just do these exercises or these activities to practice on your own. But remember to thoroughly read the instruction, and don't forget to read the end part of the instruction. Ungakhohlwa ukufunda ingxenye engasegcineni yomuyalelo, right? Gcwalisa imisho elandelayo ngezabizwana zokukhomba, bhala imisho ephelele, right? There's the nja. Can you see once again they did not write a complete noun, but you must know your nouns. Isibaya, it's supposed to be isibaya, so it'll be la plus isi of isibaya, lesi sibaya. Uyabona laba bangani bakho, leli khaya ngelethu. Uyayibona loo nto, right? Okay, so qhubeka-ke, continue to just do these exercises and see for yourself ukuthi-ke whether you are confident in doing this. But after this, I promise you, you should get all those marks under the section wonke, 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 wonke. You just take everything, you leave no crumbs. All right, how cool is that? So just do the practice and then you will be fine. Kumbula to get your own copy, or if your friend doesn't have, tell them to just get theirs on our website. And lo msebenzi is found on page 71 to page 75 izabizwana zokukhomba nje, they are just there specifically. Okuhle kodwa ke, wishing you all the best. Sinifisela ke okuhle, ningakhohlwa ukuthinta ke